Hey lovelies, so I've been tiptoeing around Testnet Airdrop Project, and I think it's high time I just take the bull by the horn and start mining or talking about Testnet Airdrop Projects. So today I'm going to walk you through how to farm and mine LayerEdge Testnet project. Now LayerEdge is a testnet airdrop project. So and you need to connect like your Metamask wallet before you can actually mine LayerEdge. So if you're new to my vlog channel, my name is Susan. This is where I share everything crypto trading, airdrop mining updates, and my no-fail commercial recipes on cakes, small chirps, food trays, commercial juice, drinks from time to time. So this is that channel you want to subscribe to. I also share how to earn money on the side while waiting for that order or that job offer. So I'm on my Play Store. If you're on your App Store, just search for Metamask, and then you are going to click on open. You click on open like this, and it's going to load the Metamask dashboard. This might be a very long video because I'm not only going to show you how to farm and mine the LayerEdge Testnet airdrop project. I'm also going to walk you through how to set up your Metamask accounts for newbies. So, and I'm doing this afresh for you guys. So please do me a favor and subscribe. Leave me comments always in my comment section. I definitely respond to comments. Also join the Telegram channel. The link is always in my description box or my first pinned comment. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to click on get started. Then I clicked on create a new wallet. If you have a wallet before, just click on impulse recovery freeze. So they don't allow screenshots or screen recording on Metamask just to protect you. So once you click on create a new wallet, if you're a newbie, it will show you your recovery freeze, but it will be hidden. So you will not click on view. Once you click on view, you can't screenshot it or screen record the security freeze. You just need to write it down, and just like I do, once I write them down, I go to default chat on my Telegram purposely for the for saving my recovery freezes code, and I write them there and I save it. So after you've viewed it, you click on continue. Then once you click on continue, it now asks you to re-enter those to your recovery freeze. You want to be sure that yes, you know or you save them. Then after entering them, you click on create wallet, and automatically your wallet will be connected, your wallet will be created. So that's just how to create wallets on Metamask. So automatically check for security updates. Of course, enable automatic security checks. Then you, like I usually say, once you create a wallet, you can decide to come around and personalize that wallet. But this is just basically how to do this. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go to my LayerEdge Testnet, and we're going to link that LayerEdge Testnet airdrop project to this Metamask that we just created, and I'll show you how to mine. I'll walk you through the process. So let's dive right into it. You need to click on the link I'm going to be dropping in the description box or in my first pinned comment to be able to mine or farm LayerEdge. Yes, it is very, very important that you need to click on that link to join and to start farming this testnet airdrop project. And also you need a referral code. Without that, just like not pay, without that you'll not be able to mine or farm this airdrop project, right? So I'm going to click on connect wallet here, and once you click on connect wallet, it's going to ask you what wallet do you want to connect. So we are using Metamask. So you click on get a wallet, then you click on Metamask. So once you click on Metamask, it's going to load this interface. That is, it take you like to your Google, your App Store or your Play Store. You click on open because I already have a Metamask connected and I already have it downloaded, and I already showed you how to set up your Metamask wallet. So it's going to load like this, and I'm going to authenticate it just like this. The connection is always very, very sluggish, so this is a trick to it. The trick is for you to come down here and click on browser. My brush is not working, so I just try to zoom in into what I'm doing. I click on the browser. It brought me to the browser in MetaMask. I'm doing this in the browser in MetaMask, my MetaMask wallet, in the browser of MetaMask wallet. And I'm just going to search for, layered, LayerEdge, LayerEdge, and just allow it to do its thing. I'm not a robot. I'm just verifying that I'm not a robot. Just security, whatever. So this is within the MetaMask wallet. Then I'll click on this LayerEdge dashboard just like this. Then to say we are verifying your browser, I'm just going to click on this MetaMask icon that is here. Then you see that my screen is a little bit darkened. To bring this dashboard.layeredge.io wants to see your account and suggest transaction, requesting for account 1, use your enable network, requesting for Ethereum, blah blah blah. Just click on connect. Yes, so that sometimes their server is always very how will I put it, very congested, so you need to take your time. Now this is where I said you need invitation code. So a subscriber on my Telegram channel dropped his invitation code, so I'm just going to use that invitation code here, and then I'll click on continue. If you don't use a referral code, it is not going to connect. So I'm going to go now to my Telegram channel. I'm going to copy his referral code. I'm going to paste it here. Yes, these are some of the things you enjoy when you're on a Telegram. So click on continue, and it's validated that code, and it shows that it was correct. This is the interface of LayerEdge, and it says light node stop. So I'm going to click on start node. Once you click on that start node, it's going to load the interface for you just like this, and then you just click on and sign in this message. You just click on sign, and once you click on sign, you're going to see this place is showing processing. Right, a stream processing. Just allow it to do its thing. The network is very sluggish. It's very sluggish. The network is sluggish, but after you sign in, just wait for it. You see that it's now showing here. It's showing light node running. Log in every 24 hours. This every day, around this time every day. Just log in to claim. You can see my total node points is already counting here, and yes, so every 24 hours you log in. That is one. You click on this 3 bar and it brings you here. Once it brings you here, you copy your referral code just like that. You see referral code copied. You copy your referral code, click on share with friends. You copy your referral code. If you want to do this on the a browser, aside the MetaMask app, you just need to download Kiwi browser. Then once you download Kiwi browser, you download an extension. If you are my crypto trading paid platform, I'll drop the extension link for MetaMask. I'll drop the extension link, and with the extension link, you can do this on a browser. Once you have an extension link, you install it on your browser, and then you'll be able to start mining. So if not, you can always use the MetaMask inbuilt app or in-house app to mine. So you just need to log in every 24 hours and mine. So if you want me to keep sharing projects like this on Testnet Airdrop Project, let me know in the comment section, and I will definitely start talking about Testnet Airdrop Project. Yes, I think we have had enough of Telegram Airdrop projects listing dust, and I think it's high time we start looking into other airdrop projects on different platforms. So that's all for me for now. See you in the subsequent video. Bye.